Now, for the last part of the activity, it is calculate who scored the highest and the lowest marks. So, going to the sample sheet that we have already prepared over there, and you are able to see over here. That means I have already made this particular table. We have already calculated the total and calculated the percentage. Now, what I will be doing, I will be selecting from name till the last part. Then you will be able to see a menu called as data. Go over there, and over there you will be able to see sort range. In sort range, first it is A to Z, that is ascending, and this is descending. So we have to go, but this will be only only arrange column A as per ascending and descending order, but we don't want column A because we require to calculate the highest and the lowest marks, and the highest and the lowest marks are there in column H. So going data, going sort range, advanced range sorting option. When you go for advanced range sorting option, over there you will be able to see that column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So I require to select H and then Z to A and just click on the sort option. When you click on the sort option, we are able to say that the highest marks is scored by Ron and the lowest marks is scored by Alvin. So in this particular manner, I will be able to calculate, or I will be able to show who is the person who is the largest, who is having the maximum score and who's having the lowest or the minimum score.